Hello boys and girls, welcome to Mrs. Bandu's Math Movies. This is Algebra 1, Lesson 6-7, Scatter Plots and Equations of Lines. We want to write an equation for a trend line and use it to make predictions, and also write an equation for a line of best fit and use it to make predictions. Okay, so here we go. A line of best fit is the trend line that most accurately shows the relationship between two sets of data. The correlation coefficient R tells you how closely the equation models the data. Okay, so those are our definitions we want to do. Okay, make a scatter plot to represent the data. Draw a trend line and write an equation for the trend line. Use the equation to predict the time needed to travel 32 miles on a bicycle. Okay, so first of all, we want to draw a scatter plot of the data. Use a straight edge to draw a trend line and estimate 2 points on the line. Okay, so go 5 miles in 27 minutes, so 5:27. 10 miles in 46 minutes, so 40, all right, 71 miles, I'm sorry, 14 miles, couldn't be that, in 71 minutes, so just above there and just out here, not quite on 15, 18 miles in 78 minutes, and 22 miles in 107 minutes. Okay, so those are some possible points here. Use a straight edge to draw a trend line. So what we want to do is we kind of want to draw a line where we can get an idea of where this will go down the line. Okay, so I'm just going to do like that. Okay. I see that estimate 2 points on the line, and 2 points that I see on mine are 10. Well, let's see. Actually, how about 17.5 and 90? Okay. And let's see, maybe 20 and 100. And again, these are estimating. Actually, I think I'm going to go and change this a little bit. Let's see, 10. I'm going to estimate about 10 and 50 just to keep my numbers, whole numbers, and easier to work with. And again, these are estimating. We're not getting exact, so I'm just doing that. Okay, so now what I'll do is write an equation of the trend line. So I'm going to find the slope. So I'm going to do, let's say, 100 minus 50, y sub 1 minus y sub 2. Oh, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, excuse me. And 20 minus 10, the difference in x's. And that's going to give me 50 over 10, or a slope of approximately 5. So I'm going to use point slope form now to write an equation of the line, and I'm going to use the numbers, the smaller numbers. Okay, so I'm going to do y minus 50 equals 5 times x minus 10, because I'm substituting 5 for m and 10 and 50 for x and y. Predict the time needed to travel 32 miles. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my slope of 5 for x, and I'm going to then substitute in, 5 for the slope, and 32 for x. Then I'm going to use, again, the point 10, 50 for my x, y sub 1, y sub 2, x sub 1, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to do 50 here and 10 here. So y minus 50 equals 5 times 32 minus 10. 32 minus 10 is 12. So y minus 50 equals 60. So y equals 110. So I'm going to add 50 to each side. So the time needed to travel 32 miles is about 110 minutes. Okay. Sorry, I'm kind of halting in this. I'm just trying to be sure that I'm not making mistakes. There's a lot of things going on here. Again, I tried to use the ordered pair that I estimated that had the easiest numbers to use. And then 5 times 12 is 60, 60 plus 50 is 110, and so on. So again, this is an approximation, not an exact, but it takes about 110 minutes to do that, to ride 32 miles. Oh dear, my bad. This is actually should be 22. I just now realized my mistake. And 5 times 22, ironically, is 110. And then add 50 to that, and that was going to be 160 minutes. My apologies on that. I'm just reviewing my work here. So this is going to be 5 times 22, which is 110, and plus 50 is going to give you 160. So it's going to take you about 160 minutes to travel 32 miles. Okay, let's go to the back side. On this next side, this is using a calculator that we do not have in our classroom. We will probably get calculators and use something that the textbook offers to us. So for the moment, I'm going to skip this, okay? And basically, you just need to do number 1. If you want to explore on your own, you can go into the interactive textbook 6-7 and use the code, the graphing calculator code ATE-2122. Okay, so we are finished here. I'll see you in class. Bye now.